Viking Rotary Vane pumps in Georgia. Features, benefits, and applications. Viking rotary vane pumps in Georgia are used for liquid transfer in applications ranging from LP gas to chemicals. The vanes on the pump spread from slots on the rotor that move liquid through a cam-shaped opening and provide high mechanical efficiency and very low slip. The series is designed to provide smooth flow at pressures higher than normally seen in a vane pump. When maintenance is required, installation of repair parts is easy. Pushrods, mechanical seals, bushings, and vanes are all readily accessible for easy replacement. Typical applications for Viking rotary vane pumps in Georgia. The LVP series is intended for corrosive, thin industrial liquids, applications where pressures or vacuum requirements exceed other pumps' capabilities, and combustible liquids which require corrosion protection. Typical applications include vacuum vessel service, alkalis and acids, LPG, discharge or long suction line applications, aqueous solutions, refined fuels, solvents and alcohols, pentane, hexane, monomers, reactor vessel ingredient metering. Features and benefits of Viking rotary vane pumps in Georgia. Pump design provides superior volumetric efficiency and vacuum capability. Two-directional pumping design removes the cost of a second pump, valving and piping that is required for line stripping or loading. Unloading. Combination of hardened 316 stainless steel casing, PEEK vanes and pushrods provides broad chemical compatibility and boosts application flexibility. High-efficiency pump with short-term dry run capabilities and self-priming that handles entrained gases. Pressure capabilities to 14 bar even on the thinnest liquids. LVP series vane replacement as a 20-minute service item reduces scheduled downtime. Improved design with fewer parts reduces maintenance and provides better parts availability. Raised face flange ports, one-piece casing and bracket, and elastomeric O-ring seals provide improved sealing reliability. Reduces downtime and cleanup while minimizing chemical exposure. Interchangeable discs may be reversed instead of replaced when worn. This doubles the useful life of parts for reduced life cycle cost. Tailor-made sealing solutions are available for virtually every liquid and application. 62 Rockwell C-surfaced hardened stainless steel casing. Hard silicon sleeve bearing is standard. This extends pressure capability, lowers life cycle costs and minimizes wear. Hard chrome oxide coated shaft which contributes to industry-leading pressure capability. Gauge ports standard for easy application of transducers or gauges. This simplifies installation of remote or local monitoring systems. Top-mounted, adjustable pressure relief valve standard. Rotatable casing with motor mount option on two smallest models allows horizontal or vertical porting for easier installation. ANSI or DIN standard. For more detailed information regarding Viking rotary vane pumps in Georgia and to get professional advice on choosing the right type to suit your needs, please call our office today to speak with one of our experts. Keep in mind that we specialize in a variety of advisory and installation services, all designed to help you get the most out of your equipment.